Test it. 1, 2. Test. Okay, where's my backup vocals?
No. Alright, try it now.
Test me. 1, 2. Okay.
Alright, wait.
Well, the phone, it was ringing. I answered, it was wait a minute, I have to say a ringing. Don't forget that word, okay? A ringing and yeah, okay. A ringing. Okay?
Alright.
The phone, it was a ringing. I answered, it was Sue. I told her not to call here. My wife believes I'm true. But even after letting you know, I still put down my pride. Just a little someone I've been fucking on the side. Wait, you weren't there for fucking?
Fucking on the side.
Here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. When it was ringing, and I answered, it was Sue. Sure you can.
Wait.
No. Just go.
You need my backup over here, though. The phone, it was ringing. I answered, it was Sue. Told her not to call here. My wife believes I'm a toad. But even after the wedding, you know, I still couldn't tell my bride. It was just a little someone I've been fucking on the side. So I tried to tell her with teardrops in my eyes.
Eyes, even.
I would never cheat on you. I'm not like the other guys.
Screwed up.
Even after the wedding, you know, I still couldn't tell my bride. It was just a little someone I've been fucking on the side. So one day she came home early and there was no time to hide.
Ain't no hiding from that law.
With me was that someone I've been fucking on the side.
Outside. That ain't right.
Even after the wedding, you know, I still couldn't tell my bride. Just a little someone I've been fucking on the side. I just realized that's how it works. We'll try something else anyway. So I tried to explain to her about this little mess. In flew a bullet. They pronounced me dead. Even after the wedding, you know, I still couldn't tell my bride at a funeral. It was just a little sister I'd been fucking on the side. Could heaven seeking to reside. St. Peter turned me down and said, boy, you've been fucking on the side. And after the funeral, I know Christmas, but I couldn't tell my bride.
Finish it. Okay.